It's like most guys, just gradually over the year, you're fudging with your hair and you're like, wait, this isn't the same as it was yesterday. Not looking to look like I'm in my 20s again, but I'm used to a certain look and I don't want to let that go.
Dr. Heil is just one of those guys that he's easygoing, just so knowledgeable, been doing this for so long.
Before it was sort of weighing, painful, scary surgeries, scars. Nowadays it's robotics and artificial intelligence and computers to assist the hair transplant surgeon. It's an invisible, near perfect match to what we always had there.